Hi, here's how to create a percent daily profit using WPS spreadsheet on Android tablet. First, open the WPS application on your Android tablet. Then, select New Spreadsheet. Click the cell and select Edit. You can now enter your title. After typing your title, just click Tab to move to the next cell. Then enter your new title. Select Tab, and for profit, Tab, and for percent profit. Click Tab again, and now you can enter the days. For day 1, enter the sales, let's say 3,000. Click Tab, and for profit, let's say 2,950. Then click Tab. To calculate the percent daily profit, just use the formula using equal sign followed by open quantity, then just select the cell on profit, division sign, and select the cell for sale, followed by close quantity, and multiply it by 100. Then enter. The percent daily profit will automatically appear on the cell. And that's it. Thank you for watching.